Nothing Phone 3A Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. When it comes to display size, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro boasts a generous 6.77 inches, offering an immersive viewing experience perfect for gaming and media consumption. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE features a slightly smaller 6.7 inches display, still providing a vibrant and engaging screen real estate for all your needs. Both devices excel in maximizing screen-to-body ratio at around 88%. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro stands out with its impressive dual 50-megapixel main camera setup, featuring a wide lens and optical image stabilization, ensuring stunning photos even in challenging conditions. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE also offers a 50-megapixel wide lens, but adds versatility with an 8-megapixel ultrawide and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, allowing for more creative photography options. Both cameras promise exceptional quality, but the S24 FE's additional lenses give it an edge in versatility. Storage options on the Nothing Phone 3A Pro include 128GB and 256GB models with up to 12GB RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE matches this with similar storage configurations, but offers a whopping 512GB variant, catering to users who need extensive storage for their digital lives. Both smartphones provide impressive performance, but the S24 FE's top-tier storage option is a game-changer for heavy users. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a sharp 1180 by 2392 pixel resolution, delivering stunning visuals at around 387 ppi. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, while slightly lower at 1080 by 2340 pixels and 385 ppi, still provides a crisp and vibrant display. Both devices ensure your content looks great, but the Nothing Phone 3A Pro edges out in pixel density, making it a tad sharper for detailed visuals. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by a robust octa-core processor, ensuring seamless performance for daily tasks and gaming. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE takes it a step further with a 10-core chipset, offering superior processing power for demanding applications. While both devices handle multitasking well, the S24 FE's advanced CPU architecture might provide an extra boost for power users. With a hefty 5,000 mAh battery, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro promises long-lasting usage, ideal for users who are always on the go. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, while slightly smaller at 4,700 mAh, still offers impressive endurance. Both devices are designed to keep you powered throughout the day, but the Nothing Phone 3A Pro's larger battery may give it a slight advantage in longevity. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a 50-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring crystal-clear selfies and video calls. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE's 10-megapixel front camera, while lower in resolution, still captures decent quality images. For selfie enthusiasts, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is the clear winner, delivering professional-grade selfies with ease. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is equipped with the Qualcomm SM7635 Snapdragon 7th Gen 3, providing efficient performance and great thermal management. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE runs on the Exynos 2400E, which also promises excellent performance. Both chipsets are built on a 4nm process, ensuring efficiency, but the choice between them may come down to user preference for brand loyalty and performance nuances. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features an AMOLED display with 1 billion colors and a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE uses a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which boasts a peak brightness of 1,100 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. While both displays are top-notch, the S24 FE's brightness advantage makes it a winner for outdoor use. When it comes to video capabilities, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS, offering solid video quality for most users. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, however, takes it a step further, with the ability to record in stunning 8K at 30 FPS, making it the ideal choice for aspiring videographers and content creators. If video quality is your priority, the S24 FE is the clear champion here. In terms of pricing, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is competitively priced at $500, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, on the other hand, comes in at $650, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While both devices offer great value, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro presents a more wallet-friendly choice without compromising on essential features.